welcome up, well, guys, welcome to Ep4.
This way.
We have ASMR Freak with us. So yes, hello.
ASMR.
ASMR Freak boy over here, going in strong.
Hey, maybe we should make this the quiet
Me and Fast
episode.
have forgiven the beef.
Yes, our beef is now forgiven. Now it's turned to
It
pork.
was Ep1 beef, now we're cool.
Yep, now it's turned into cold pork now.
Okay.
Okay.
Cold pork.
Cold pork, I love it.
Oh,
Roast
that's
beef, cold
beautiful.
Crappy joke number 1 coming in strong.
I'm so scared we're gonna run into someone on the way there because everyone will.
I mean, all we gotta do is like kind of survey the area, and then we got like.
Ooh, there's a.
Oh, 7 down the creeper.
Guys, I'm here.
Oh, kind of getting hold up. I gotta stop. I stopped to grab some coal. Guys,
Okay,
yes, you go on.
Oh, I heard skellies. I don't like that sound.
It's fine. Just continue going in. Freak, where you at right now?
I think he's bringing up the back.
No, we're done. No, we're done. Go get out of the forest. Get to the plant, like the
I'm in
little
the front.
ice area. Go to like the ice area. I see Elisa right now.
Ah, shoot. Went around the wrong side.
Yeah, I just don't know how to get down safely. That's the issue.
Just work our way back down the mountain.
No,
Wait, just
no.
work your way.
Fast!
Wait.
No more
Polar
than
bear,
3
polar
blocks
bear.
at a time,
You scared the-
Melissa.
Freaky shit the
Yep.
crap out of me.
Can we hit the polar bear?
Yes.
No!
Go!
Yes,
Yes, let's do it. Yes.
Poke the bear.
You
Poke the
sons
bear.
of bitches. I'm sure
Poke
your
the
mothers are lovely women, but you sons of
Freak-
bitches.
Hold up. Oh, let me take all my armor off real quick.
Now, what are you doing? Okay.
Leave the boy
Deja
alone.
vu.
What did he ever do to
Oh,
you?
no.
You
Run,
dumbass.
run.
If you die because of the bear, I will laugh.
I'm gonna give it a
Come here.
pork chop.
I'm gonna smack its ass again. Yeah, come here.
Okay, guys, there's a ice spikes biome.
No, you
if
know,
we'd
I'm
like
not-
to go
I'm not-
towards
I'm not-
it.
Yeah, we can. That's to be a little bit more inwards. There's a forest to the left over here.
It's a little more outwards,
It's a
but
little ice. It's a little hill. We gotta feel more comfortable being
You
at.
take men out, and the first thing they do is slap polar bear ass instead of slapping yours. God damn.
That's a weird way of putting it, but okay.
oh, puppies.
Oh yeah, we need these. We need the dogs. Oh damn it, I don't have any bones on me. I'm sure the guys have plenty.
Oh yeah.
I mean, you want some?
No, I don't want your bones, thank you.
Okay, I think like that.
I just kept going straight just to the edge of the ice.
Okay.
I see a pig and I see nothing else.
No.
Ooh, pumpkin!
Exciting for pumpkins we
Puppies!
see.
Oh, there's babies!
Oh, there's a ravine here, guys. Guys, careful if you come up to where I am.
Oh
I
yeah.
don't see anything that great in it.
I've got a
Okay.
water bucket. I'm gonna put some water down so we can go down. That sounds so bad.
I
But
mean-
yes.
I mean, we do have dogs, so I don't think it'd be bad. I mean, we kind of don't be. I think it'd be best I do back down caving.
No,
because we
you
do have
sit
dogs.
them down. You sit them down up here, and then we go down.
Yeah.
We're gonna lose them.
No.
No, not.
Okay. Where do
I
we
tried to
want
stall
the
someone, I
water?
think.
Put it there. There we go.
So are we going down there?
No, we're moving a little bit more inwards.
Dang it.
So kind of like, kind of like first.
She already started going down.
Fast,
No,
make
I
it.
Oh.
haven't started going down. I just
Oh,
put
wait for
water
them.
there.
Wait for them. Everybody's separated.
Where are you guys at,
Bigger
specifically?
groups, bigger groups are bigger numbers.
Okay, there you go.
we're-
I'm behind.
probably like
I'm with Alyssa.
We're like the ravine area you were at a second ago.
Okay, we just went past it, and on
Oh,
the
we're
edge...
behind you. Behind you.
Okay.
Who's mining gravel sword? Pickaxe. Hey, what are you?
Hello?
Yeah,
I
are
think-
Are you mining gravel?
I think they wanted us to go back, Alyssa. Oh, like,
Oh.
you Alyssa? Oh, it's Alyssa.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
I was gonna
coming.
say, I couldn't tell if that was you or not because I saw some random person hanging gravel for pickaxe. So is that one of y'all?
Yeah, no, that was me. I was saying, yeah, that's...
I was gonna say like did we just counter some like random person in the middle of nowhere?
ooh,
I am just doofus.
It's fine. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Wait for them. Give a second.
Okay.
Take your time. Watch the little hole. By the way.
You boys gone down?
No. Wait, they went past.
Oh my god!
Matt,
Are you okay?
you good?
I'm fine.
Freak you.
Dude!
Freak you have extra cap still?
Yeah, I do.
Oh my god, I
Oh,
totally
Matt,
fell to the bottom. Should I use the gapple now?
Yes, I think that'd be a good idea to use the.
Oh, dude!
I'm so sorry, but if it's any
fine.
consolation, I felt like
It's
I was
fine.
gonna puke. And there's a bunch
It's fine,
of
don't worry about
iron.
it.
Oh,
Just come on up. We have,
Huh?
we have a lot extra on us anyway. Just come back up if you can.
Matsy, eat this.
the last... Don't say that while I'm heading up toward you. Ew.
Mats, eat that. Eat that.
Yes, eat,
I give you
yes.
a apple.
Okay. Oh, I forgot to tell my long distance horror story. So
Well, yep.
I played Slime
Some-
UHC? Yeah, I think it was Slime UHC. It's something that Tommy SX organized. And I was playing with Gavino, and there's these massive ravines, and at the bottom there's slime. So you're basically going to escape all damage that way.
Oh, slimy crack.
Yes.
Slimy crack. Thank you.
That's how the game mode is called.
Hold up, let me go. Yeah, I found a polar bear and go slap it real quick.
Oh god.
Yes, let's do it. We'll do it fast.
So
No,
What?
no.
so
What?
basically we made these
Oh, it's dying, it's dying, it's dying. Go dogs, go, go. Fight club. Hey, killed it.
Fight Club. So we made these bridges across this like massive square, and I fell and I hit a bridge on the way down, and I ended up on half a heart. It was between me and Fang, the Iron Woman, and then I fell and almost died.
Rip.
We
Unfortunate.
were only in
Yep.
pairs too. We made it to meet
Village,
up.
village. Over here to the south.
Son of a...
Wait, there is a village?
Southbound. It's the freak, where's those emeralds you threw out?
I have them. I have
Okay.
emerald.
Let's go back to that
I have
cave.
3.
Fuck, I know where that is.
Yes, let's go back to that cave, see if you still have them there.
Great.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I mean, can we like find something?
Hopefully no one is like hiding there, and
Oh.
hopefully no one has stolen anything. Yeah.
That village is at 0-0.
Oh, I know, we're here. Hey. I mean, no one else seems to be here. It's a blacksmith, I'll check that. Anyone else been here, actually?
It's Ep4, right?
Nope. Yeah, we should probably get out of here,
Someone has been
actually.
here. There's cut down trees.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Yeah, and farms are
Which
broken.
direction?
Yeah, let's go.
Which direction do we leave in?
Go southbound.
So straight. Oh no, wait.
Yes.
Okay, that's south. Okay.
South, yes, southbound. So,
South is the way that I'm at.
yeah, we're going that right now. Just head that direction.
Just keep going.
Yep.
Don't be
Since we came
scared.
from the north.
Don't be scared. There's a one individual behind us.
Yep, sorry, that was me. That's why I said don't be scared, because it was gonna look
Yep.
like I'd like sneak attack you guys.
Oh no, she's the mole killer. Cut her out.
I'm a lol
Alright.
cow. Whoop whoop. I don't know what that means.
Same. I don't know, I mean,
I want to bet a lot of people are still underground.
yeah, but yeah, people will end up coming up soon, I guess. Because again, you gotta remember, it's Ep4. People like start going up. And last season, you had like Droiler and his teammate that kind of earned place, so people may be doing that. So we gotta take a fight wisely.
Hey,
There's so many
puppies. There's so many dogs. Like, this dog army is gonna help us so much.
Yep. Wait for the dogs. Yep. We'll use them. They will die. We will plunge our army with more as they slowly pair off.
I'm just following behind you guys. I'm the last one in line.
Okay, I'll try and
No, I'm not. I don't.
You good? You guys good? We're good.
She
shit.
Gucci.
You good?
No, I'm good,
Yeah, yeah.
thanks. I pooped already.
Flu's is healing now. And C8 son. Right? No, I have no idea what the guy's name is.
Wait,
All skilled up.
you can see other people?
No health-wise, look on tab. See people's health going up and down.
Where are you shifting?
I don't know. I heard he saw something, and then I just got scared.
Oh, he didn't see anything. He saw
Tab.
something on tab.
Tab, like.
I know, but I just immediately get scared.
Oh, there's a freak went straight into the hole. Well done.
There's a big cave here.
Ooh,
About dogs.
This is actually a huge cave.
make them
Actually?
sit down. It's so easy.
That's a very large cave freak. Oh my god, he wasn't wrong.
Look.
Just let
He wasn't
me
wrong.
freak
Yeah, let's go back to caving. Yeah. Going back on caving, guys. We all at?
Yeah.
Our dogs are probably... I'm gonna set my dogs down up here. If they die, they die. Just we'll see what happens.
Get some more levels, hopefully.
Yeah, take the water down. Can be careful with it though.
Oh, are you kidding me, bro? Well, it says... Oh, good job.
Goodbye.
We the real MVPs in here.
Exactly.
Not really.
Yeah,
That was terrifying.
Don't put yourself down like that so hard.
Honestly, that was terrifying.
Just let me freak you.
Yeah. I'm currently staying down here. Just get some levels up and all.
Faust, why do you not use torches? It's so hard to me to see what you've explored and whatnot.
I'm using torches right now. What are you on about? I just got down here. I know there's another entrance down here.
I have 7 torches.
So your dogs? Yeah, those are dogs. Your dogs. And yeah, freak. It's like I just went down a giant pit because I thought would be more exciting, but more deadly. Jumping
Never
down a
mind, there's
giant
no
pit.
cave here anymore.
I hear some like mobs a second ago.
Yeah, I heard him as well. Oh, that could have ended badly. I'm stupid.
No, just fine. It's weird. It has a weird place to this type of stuff.
Ooh, there was iron down.
I think we're good though. Yeah, continue playing away. I think we're
Guys,
good.
there's nothing here, so we go back up.
Your call.
I mean, we could just keep digging down, too, and
Yeah, it's also
see what we get.
You're gonna lose your wolves then.
Oh, my wolves are up here. Send down. I have the cords marked. I have the cords marked, so we're good.
You guys going up or yep? Okay.
I don't know what's going on. What do you guys want to do here?
I am up.
Oh, you look
So
right
then,
there.
so
'Cause
okay
I'm
then,
not-
freaks abandoning
oh,
us.
God,
Okay,
I can't find the way
Get a
up.
cave under the village,
Oh my
because
God.
you know that there's good luck under the village.
totally.
Okay,
And also
I
not
found it. I found it first. Sorry.
found what? What you find?
The way to get up. I got myself
Oh.
lost a bit.
No, it's fine.
Guys, go back to the village.
That's a 0-0, mate.
No, but I want a cave under. Okay, yeah, never mind. You're right.
You want to try to find a cave underneath 0, 0 is what you're trying to say.
No,
We're
a cave
very
underneath the village is like normally all the caves underneath villages are really good.
that's a very false rumor. Oh, I'm throwing out this junk.
Shut up.
Okay, I thought you were throwing them
No,
to
not-
me,
no,
and
no,
I was
not
like,
you,
hello?
freak, just someone else. No, okay, I'm just throwing coal out because it's easy to get out of my inventory. So we're going then.
See a witch.
Yeah, I don't say you test that luck. But if you want to play rescue, be my guest. If you want to die, you don't your free head.
No, thank you.
I'm a stretch.
So we all do here.
I think we need
I
to. Oh, sorry.
God.
So we're kind of sitting here
Maybe
like.
stronger armor if we can.
Yeah, we probably again we got to put
I'm
on
full
caving.
protection too already.
I need
Diamond though. Need more diamond. I think we need more diamond.
protection 2, protection 1 on the boots. Like, the 2 pieces that I, enchanted,
Yeah.
I got protection 2.
I say we run more southbound and go from
Why
there.
did you not enchant your pants?
Wait, you didn't? Wait, you didn't change your pants?
Matsy didn't enchant her pants.
Magi then? Here.
Oh, I heard zombies.
You're fine.
Matsy, why did you not enchant your pants? Here, go
Yeah,
ahead.
why
I
didn't you?
enchanted the chest plate.
But you need to
Yeah, but-
enchant both pieces.
Yes, you need to be fully enchanted.
Oh, okay.
Why, you don't
Oh,
have the option. You could do both. Why would you not do both?
I didn't.
Oh,
We're good.
bugger.
We're good.
Okay, I'll enchant my...
You know, that's, you know, I'm not going that way. Lava skeleton. No,
Did I just see a player or was that a dog?
that
that ran that way?
That's my dog. I
Okay.
don't know what it's doing. Zombie.
Thank you.
I think he was focused on me.
But not risk it.
Okay, I'll put my pants on. There we go. Done. Ow.
Are we good to go?
Think so? I'll follow.
Alright, cool.
Okay.
Let's go then.
Someone want to pick that up?
I got it.
I was like, no, we're not leaving without that, guys.
No, we're fine. No, let's leave it here. Just like some random passerby will just have it. Take it for good luck.
It's for good luck.
The hell was... Oh, what the heck? Oh,
Oh, whoa, that was speedy.
that's weird. Skeleton.
We're going up this hill?
Skeletons. Yeah, we can work our way around. Let's go to the left. Go left side of the mountain. Left side of the mountain. A lot less deadly.
Oh, I got laggy.
Ow.
I got lag behind.
No. You good? You're fine.
I'm
Yeah,
fine
auto
for now.
jump hit me.
Oh, but can you turn auto jump off before you...
Skellies.
Elisa, you good?
Oh, spider.
Yeah,
Where?
they are that way.
Madsy, where are you?
Negative 70.
Wait, negative 70?
Sorry. Positive
Uh,
70, negative 70. Trying to find my way
What?
back.
That's
to
not
you.
better. That's not better.
I'm just gonna
where-
run. I've got to run out
Where
into
was
the
you?
open, because otherwise I'm not gonna see anyone.
We didn't realize you went...
Okay.
Man, you had a lot of blocks.
I'm going
40.
back.
Just come back to where we were before.
Yeah,
I think I ran ahead of you guys thinking you'd moved on, and then I found all the mobs at the same time. Oh.
I'm coming
It's
back
fine.
from
I
Matsy.
see you
Same.
guys. I see you guys.
You see freak? Who you see?
I don't know about
Okay.
the freak, but I see a freak.
Yeah, I also see freak in nature. It's kind of ugly.
Oh, I'm
Yeah, the
sorry,
rainbow-
Alyssa.
the rainbow- the
It was
the
you
rainbow-
at the back. Sorry.
It was
You
me
weren't
at the
even
what?
inside. You weren't even that
You
way,
were
Matsy.
back.
What are you talking about?
Oh,
I basically
what?
ran all
There's
the way
a
out
witch
there.
over there.
I
yeah,
ran all the way
that's-
out that way.
That's I'm very. You confuse me a lot. I was just
Wait,
continue running
you,
this
you,
way.
you came from the way I just came from?
Straight out that way, yeah.
I don't know.
That's
I'm
not, that's not
I'm-
anyone close past
I'm
17 and 70.
I'm just gonna run this
Sorry,
way.
like
I'm
I
not gonna
said,
question
I
it.
got a bit confused because I was looking at it and trying to fight something.
Oh,
meant
I
to
think
say-
you were looking at your X and your Y. You were not looking at your X and Z. I think that's what it was.
Oh, I was
probably.
looking at my FPS. I'm stupid.
Just run past. Good, just run past.
Yes, creepy.
Hey, more TNT.
Hello, freak. Bye, freak. I'm out.
No, he's not.
Come over this way.
running from the
Puppies, good
dogs.
puppies. I love you.
Where my sticks go?
Come to the opening.
Well, I need more wood.
And then into the water.
Okay, cool. Head on there real quick.
Should we build boats so that we
It's
don't have to
game
swim
time.
through all this?
No, I think we're good.
No, because it's Depth Strider. We have speed.
Yeah, we'll swim in.
Wait,
I
that's
don't
I
know.
don't see it.
I don't know if boats are faster even.
We going this way?
head
Yep.
to island. Oh, damn
Come
it,
in,
Dad!
diamonds. Huh?
Damn it, Dad.
Yeah,
What?
Dog of Krondor's my dad.
Oh, I wasn't aware of that. Oh, cool.
Where are you guys going? Okay.
You guys not follow? Okay.
I think we should go this way.
I'm following. I mean, and there's not really any direction to kind of really go to find players. We're kind of just like,